Jenny's house, 2360 North 57th Street. 115 feet out as far as my camera will go. I scoped from the 6-inch clean out, was able to get all the way to the main. Not able to get all the way to the main from this inside 4-inch clean out that I'm scoping from. All the clay was in good condition all the way to the main. And I'm going to come backwards from 115 feet and narrate as I go. The date is 2/14/18. Here we go. Happy Valentine's Day. Mind flushing the toilet real quick? Because I got a little gunk on the screen here. I'll wash it off. Thank you, Jenny.
Does it matter whether it's upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs, downstairs, don't matter.
Yeah.
Yep, give it a minute to go 105 feet down the line.
Oh. It's one of those newfangled
Low flows.
low flows, so I don't know, maybe I should flush again.
You can see most of it. I just got a little smudge on here. About 88 feet from this inside clean out, you get to where somebody installed SRT 35 or SDR 35, excuse me, pipe. Transition from that into the 6-inch clay at about 88 feet. Now back inside the house, this is ABS plastic, transitioning into that SDR 35 right there at about 14 feet. And we are coming up vertical and out of the pipe. There's the clean out here in the boiler room. Technician is Casey. Signing out.